Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. So I did the gun show this weekend and I picked up a handguard. Now, not a big deal to most people, but it is to me. So several months ago from my friend Dennis out at the flea market, I picked up this here, which most people would think it is a Model 24 of some type Savage, and it is not. It is a Stevens Model 240. So the Savage Model 24s are over-unders, and they usually have most common is a 22 over 410 or 20 gauge. This is a double trigger, double hammer, very rare, 410 over 410. So when I had bought it, it came with this Tenite handguard on it, which was probably the original handguard. They may have replaced the buttstock, which would have been Tenite years ago, but it still had the Tenite handguard, and I would never find a Tenite buttstock because they're prone to cracking. Plus, you'd never find one for this Model 240 because of the lengthened trigger guard here for the double triggers. But I had read that the handguard was the same as the 410, 28 gauge, and maybe the 20 gauge. So as soon as I walked into the show, guy had the handguard sitting there with some other single shot. And that's the whole thing. This is off of a single shot. And the handguard is the same from the model, I want to say it's 190 Savage Stevens, whatever, to here. So the metal here, I swapped out with the metal from this one. So this is the original metal here, the original metal inside, and it just snaps on and off. And it fits well. So it just snaps on and off. And I swapped them out. So now I've got a wood handguard instead of the plastic or Tenite handguard to go with the wood stock. So it looks much better and it fits really nice. Like I said, I took the metal off of the original one and put it on the wood one so that the wood one would fit because they're hand fitted to the receiver. I could have worked on it, but this way here it is the original metal on with the stock. So, but it's just something stupid that I found. Wasn't a big deal. Cost me $20 for the handguard. And I'm tickled pink because it doesn't have a plastic handguard in the front now. And this one here matches very well with the rest of the gun. So, so it all matches very well now. And it snaps on nice. If I can do it one-handed, I don't know. There it goes. And it just fits just nice. Right up close to the barrel and stuff. Just like it was made for it. So, like I said, this is the Stevens Model 240. And it's a double barrel, twin hammers, over under, twin triggers, 410. Rare gun, rare gun. So, anyhow, that's why I like gun shows. Didn't sell a lot. I had a table, didn't sell much, but I got in early. I bought the handguard for $20. I am tickled pink, and we'll do a video on shooting this. Like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. God bless you. God bless America.